Hey guys, this is Mike, and you people are listening to not the console.log podcast. So I think by the intro you would have known this that now the name of this channel is no longer the console.log podcast. Now the name of the channel is the Computer Show, which is also known as comp.show. Comp dot is the abbreviation of computer. So why did we change the name? The reason we changed the name was that when I initially made this channel, my motto was to give information about web development. But with the progression of the videos, now we are in the 13th episode. I thought let's do a bit more. Let's talk not only about web development, but things bigger than web development, things in the computer world which I personally care about. So what will happen is that the weekly podcast will go as usual as it was going. Me and Prashant will be meeting on the Zoom call, and we'll talking about everything that happened the week, and we'll talking about technology here and there. But adding to it, I think I will be making midweek shows of 10-15 minutes. In which I will be talking about the things happening in the tech industry, generally like something which I'm concerned about. This is the main reason why I changed the name. The thing with console.log podcast was console.log in itself is more of a JavaScript resembled thing, so I wanted to change that thing. I think when I made that name, I think I made a mistake, but yeah, you make mistakes here and there. So yeah, for this I'm making this short video to tell you people that the name won't be console.log podcast now the name will be the Computer Show. And I know it's been a while since we have uploaded our last video. It's been what, I think, in my opinion, by my reading, I think it's been 10 days. The reason because of that was right now there have been quite a few festivals going around in India, and then also there was some family issues on my side. That's why I was not able to make videos. I think me and Prashant have a meet tomorrow evening. We will be making the video tomorrow evening. I'm not sure about the editing. I think by Monday or Sunday evening the video will be out about the 14th episode. And yeah, for that episode also we have some good topics lined up for that. On this note, I will be taking leave. This was Mayank, and you are listening to the Computer Show. Bye bye.